Good afternoon, my name is Clara Inés Rodriguez. The name of activity is What Would Have Happened If? The situation. They say that moms are superheroes. I'm about to think that we are. This is the story of how I took the challenge of going back to school, work, and keep taking care of my family. Almost 4 years ago, I was working as usual when the student's dean called me to her office. She told me that she wanted me to study again. The university that I work for was going to help me funding my education, paying of 66% of the tuition cost. I was absolutely shocked. I had no words to answer. All I could say was, "Let me think about it." I thought I could have told her no, but what should I have done? The 3 reasons why I was not sure if I should go back to school. First, I wasn't planning to study again. Second, I didn't have a space in my family but get to fund it. Third, I wasn't willing to sacrifice time with my husband and kids. I definitely had to evaluate the proposal with my family. We asked ourselves, what would we have to do as a family so that I could study? They gave me all their support, even when they knew the high cost that I was going to take, and not only economically. Finally, I decided to accept. The decision have had an important personal and familiar impact. We have had to reorganize our lives, but they have been so supportive all the time, and they had understood my new role as a student. There are so many moments when I regret to have made the decision to study, especially when I have lots of work and homework, and I feel that I'm not going to make it. Sometimes I have to sacrifice time with my husband and kids, and it made me so sad. Today I'm in the 6th semester of business administration, and I hope to be strong enough to achieve the final goal, to be a business administrator. Now I can say that I don't regret to have taken this challenge. I jungle being a wife, a mom, a student, and hold down a job. What was your crisis again? Thank you.